Welcome back friends. In today's video, we will learn how to solve multiplication problems without tables. We will solve these three questions but without tables. Let us start the first question. We have to find 3 into 2. We have to draw 3 lines. We have to draw 2 lines. Now find where these lines cut each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 into 2 will give 6. Let us try the second question. We have to find 12 into 4. 1 to 12. We will draw 1 line over here and 2 lines over here. For 4, we will draw 4 lines. Let us now find where these lines cut each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer will be 4, 8, 48. So 12 into 4 is 48. Take our last question. We have to find 34 into 23. 3, 4, 34. We will draw 3 lines over here and 4 lines over here. For 2, 3, 23, we will draw 2 lines over here and 3 lines over here. Now find where these lines cut each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this 12, we will carry 1 over here and 2 over here. Nine plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 1 and 8 over here. 1 plus 6 is 7. So our answer is 782. So 34 into 23 will be 782. Now I have a homework for you. You have to find 24 into 12. दूसरा वीडियो देखने से पहले होमवर्क कर लेना, नहीं तो हम मुर्गा मना देंगे. If you like my video, please share with your friends.